What are you drawing?
Hold on, give me a sec. I actually started doing. Where's it gone? Hold on. A little Disney theme bug. How cute is that?
What's his name?
Mushu. It's from Milan.
I think I've seen. So yeah.
It's so cute.
Well, the camera almost can see.
Oh, very cute. It's not done yet. I'm getting there. Fucking hell. Thanks, that was great. Just clip me off. But yeah.
Oh, you made stuff here.
Yeah, it's like down. Yeah, doing a bit of clouds with the dragon. I think I might do the clouds in like a red because I want to practice some more colour. Not practice, do more. But yeah, just drawing that up today.
Following a business means having a tool and a tool and a tool and a job and a job and a job. Another job here, another job there.
Too many going on. So no, I'm at that point. I don't know what's more important, a new machine or a new iPad. I feel like machine obviously, but I need a new iPad. It's so light. So I think this month I'm going to get a new machine. And then I'm going to wait next month, get a new iPad, and then that's it.
How many are on yours?
I think most of mine end at like 16. Yeah. So it's like I have to like condense it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm very much. I sketch like 6 times before I actually start lining stuff.
The first one you don't need anyway. No?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I mean, I think mine has about 250.
Oh, it's got 16. You know.
I used to have that same kind of iPad. Well, I still have it at home.
Yeah.
And it was like 6, so I think they call it. I was doing a 390 DPI, so it gave me like 6. So I had to pick what to keep or not, and had to delete on my. And then when I get this Pro, it literally goes to 250, and I have never hit it.
No. That's it. I feel like I need a bigger screen as well. You know, still got all the home button and stuff. Like I don't even need that huge of an iPad. Just something with a slightly bigger screen will help. Because I feel like it's just so itty bitty. It's tiny. Poor thing. Whoa. What are you drawing? Go.
Same thing I was drawing. She just told me she didn't like the face.
Oh.
I was like, okay. I was like, we'll change the face. She looked really angry, to be fair, actually. The more I looked at the face, the more I was like, yeah, it's really...
Yeah.
You know when you draw something and you're like, that's really cool, and then you look at it like 2 days later and you're like, that's wank. So it's all good though, it's part of the job.
It's alright, you can do a nice smiley.
Exactly. Well, I actually don't know if I'm going to have a smiling or not. I feel like when you look at like neo-trad lady faces,
All very much.
they don't have a smile. They always got the lips with the...
Yeah, you should do like
slightly
a
pursed lips.
slight open mouth with gold teeth poking out.
Yeah? Just one big fucking...
No, you know what I mean? It's very parry.
Yeah, well.
That was. But it's fucking tiny.
Oh my god.
So that was a little now. How do I make them off?
It is tiny, isn't
You
it?
do like half and half.
Yeah, I would like to have like an A1 paper, like it covers the whole wall. Maybe there's some like websites where you can order A1. It would be like double this. A2 would be double this.
Yeah, you kind of have to go to someone. I mean, probably if you just
I feel
go
like
to
at
someone
that point you might as well just
prints.
print it out on separate sheets and stick them all together.
I just want to make it look nice.
I would also do that, but yeah. I guess you could just go to someone who prints stuff.
Or like stick a magnifying glass next to the thing. You can like take it off the wall.
Which one am I? Yeah, I don't know. There must be somewhere around here that does like printing services. Probably you can, yeah, probably in the Derby or something like that. You could find somewhere that would do an A1 print.
Just thinking whether that photo shop, there's one like at the back of town that people get like passport photos taken there, but they might have like a comically large piece of paper.
Is it understandable?
Well, it's not readable, but it's. I feel like.
Can the grey be seen fairly? Yeah, I'm gonna put like Francis in grey.
Oh no, yeah, I didn't notice that until you just pointed it out. And then it says average, and then
Nothing's that. Okay. I couldn't figure out.
Master.
So as you can see, today you can see received a message from Elite. The Elite, I've used them before in my videos, and then they said they want to send some stuff for me, and they offered me 10 boxes of needles, but I want to see if I can sneak something else from them. So cool, the company's like, can we please send you boxes of needles? What privilege that is. I'm thinking like I could maybe ask for this tattoo machine, but then what I'm gonna do with it, I feel like it's not gonna be probably able to like push my limits. I'm probably gonna like cook it.
That's the thing, isn't it? Is like machine's cool if it's like competing with what you've got, but if it's just like another kind of mid-tier whatever.
Yeah, I feel like it's not gonna tolerate my day rate, and then I'll be end up using, but I do like this red color. It looks pretty neat. But then I still need probably some cartridges. What it says, 8 to 12 hours, USB-C charge. I'm probably gonna ask. If they're gonna say no, then no. But I'm probably gonna just give a shot. See what they say. Why not? We can give a shot.
You don't take, you know?
Yeah.
Zig wants to know what level you think you are on the board.
Oh, I did this yesterday. I think, personally, I'm about a level 3, building up to a level 4. Because I'm not fully there yet, but I'm still an apprentice, so it's fine. It's fine. But yeah, stencil's done. Oh, why is it not done? Yeah. What do you think you are?
Probably saying 5.
Solid server. Nice. Got going on today?
We are finishing Peace, which we started about a year ago, no? 2 years ago? It was like a year ago, no? Yeah.
Making progress.
Yeah, the last time we blasted the whole day through and we maxed out as much as we could, as much as he could take, and then we both were like tired, and then we just called it a day. And then today is the part 2, and today we need to clean up and then do more blacks and then more
Do you reckon you
shading.
get it all finished today?
Yeah, we're gonna fly through this. It's
What
kind of
you
like,
use on yours?
I feel like this is 5 liner if I'm not wrong, for like little tiny details. Yeah, I feel like we did all the heavy lifting last time, and today is just,
It's just polishing off.
yeah, it's making life easy. It was a big suffer last time, but it pays off in
Worth
the long
it,
run, yeah.
definitely, yeah.
So then you've got easier future sessions. Sometimes you have to like push a little bit more in day 1, so you would have all the other days way nicer.
Makes me feel more like a breeze.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very cool.
That's how far we are now.
What you got going on?
Whole lot of gang shit. Do you remember him? Boot Gang. Boot Gang?
No.
Oh, bro. Is that fucking geezer on, would have been Instagram, but that TikTok was about. He used to just like film himself like doing bare like illegal shit. Like he would like steal people's dogs, their cars. Like he would go behind like counters and shit, like just grab like the whole like donut section and just walk out. Like grab, like fucking do everything. Now I think he's like religious now.
Where it's like a changed man now.
Yeah. But he's got like mad face tats, like proper ones.
Oh, I don't remember it.
Oh.
It was like Vine times.
Vine, it must have been Vine.
Was it Vine?
Yeah.
I miss Vine.
Boom Gang. How old are you?
Me, 26.
Yeah, that's it. Because you would have. I was like young when I was watching Vine. Like.
Oh, I bet you were.
I think
actually.
I only got it like on YouTube. Like I didn't even get to
Oh.
download
what, like,
Vine.
the
It was
compilation?
gone by the time. Yeah.
Oh, damn.
So I'd like watch all on YouTube.
That's literally all my YouTube used to be. Just Vine compilation.
They've started coming up on all my TikTok and all of it.
They have like weird like captions, weren't they? Like Vine compilations to cure your depression.
How thick are you wanting the body lines?
I don't know. I want to say like probably like similar to the snake kind of thing, I guess.
There's
Oh, we
no
didn't do
lines
lines on it, did we? I
no.
was like, oh, I don't know. That's a good question though. I don't know. What do you rate? Probably not like too thick.
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you rate? I'm trying to find something that's like.
You've just got a bit of like everything.
Yeah.
Unless you try and match it to like the roses, like on your neck.
I can't even remember what it looks like. Like.
So I don't want to go too thin because of how the legs are black in it.
Yeah.
But I don't want to go too thick. You don't want to know.
Fuck.
That's what it is. You're doing the legs just like in black. What have you got?
I've got a 7 on me at the moment, but I don't know if that's
There's
too
5
big.
there.
I know, yeah. But I
Well,
don't know.
like that kind of thinness, you know, like the flames on the wrist.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Would that work?
5.
Yeah. I'd say go a tiny bit thick.
Yeah.
So we use a 5.
You do you, mate.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Before I start tattooing, can you get a video for me on my phone?
Yeah.
Come on, you.
Tell me when.
Is it video now?
Not yet.
Just video now, and I'll cut it out.
Done.
Video, no?
Yeah.
Ready, bro?
Yeah.
Oh. Hope so. Oh.
I think it looks more even now.
Have a look.
I don't know if this side needs taking off or not.
No, I think. Do like a.
Looks alright?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Oh, it's exciting.
And I like it. I'm the most excited person that you know that you will be meet, really.
Are you nervous or are you like?
any questions.
Sorry.
Okay.
I didn't think about the fact you're drawing that.
Like doing an interview while I'm trying to.
No worries, I can answer every interview, you know, like, hey, we are from Canary Island, the paradise that everyone would like to be.
This could be so sick.
Okay. Yeah, I think now is good.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Have a look in the mirror, just like make sure,
Yeah,
spend
make
like
it-
5
yeah.
minutes, just 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah, 100%.
100?
Oh, it's like
A little skewed, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
better.
100? Okay.
A little bit of Zig's work. Oh, it looks sick. I feel like it just looks much more. Yeah, that's so cool. How are you feeling now? It's a numbing.
Alright,
is
yeah.
it?
Fair numbing can work. Works dreams.
That's what we like to hear. Good numbing cream. Which one did you use? Is it the TKTX thing? Yeah.
That's it, yeah. To be fair, right, sat down straight for like 4 hours and worked a dream, not gonna lie.
Yeah. That is insane.
Yeah.
Good one. If I walked in on something I did else.
It's alright, we'll finish the worst of it now.
Oh, just you. No, I'm so sorry.
Oh shit. Sticky.
Yeah, stay there for us, bro. Good boy.
I feel like this could be like Moose Watch vlog now. I don't know you gay shit in it.
It gets the views.
And the clients as well.
That's why I keep coming back.
You can always come out, but
Not this
pull it out. I'm gonna fuck. I'm gonna run you. That's so gay.
Oh,
How's
that? Wicked.
Wicked, wicked.
Beautiful.
You're doing symmetrical.
Nah, not quite. Well, we
so
are.
it's like,
It's gonna be like the same, but not the same.
We'll just flow into these gaps more rather than these ones.
yeah.
Yeah,
So they look.
Oh, that's fair, that's it. Whoa.
getting there.
Oh, it's not going to be able to come back anymore.
Huh?
Not going to have
That's
any
right, I've still got all
space.
this, yeah.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, cheeky. Right, let's get this other one drawn up.
Sad.
See you guys from
Joe's
Canary.
doing.
Yeah.
I heard the conversation.
Yeah. We're coming from the paradise.
Do you get like tsunamis a lot?
No.
No?
No, in Canary. El Teide is on Tenerife, it's the big mountain that we were at. They said that if we started to shake it, you know, making some gases, something like that. No terrorists, no. And on my island, you can leave the real can because we haven't got too many. It's not like a city. We are like a desert. We are a desert. Unfortunately, we are a desert. We are part from Africa. You see that, and it's all like dunes, the sea. We haven't got any tree. All is brown and yellow.
What do we eat?
What we need.
Yeah, what
Everything. Like me, I like Asda, Tesco, you know, the places, the people, see different people all the time, but in Fuerteventura you know everyone. You see, oh I know this, oh hello, this for so small island. Que le hago como las líneas o algo así o... No. Que se lo haga, dice. Ella, it's her boyfriend.
What are you using?
11?
11.
Good. Ari, ¿está bien? Yeah.
No, mejor es el calcetín.
¿El mío? Ah, no, el mío son de fuego, que lo pongo en el café.
Feel famous?
Have to get your TikTok. Oh,
Where?
I deleted them.
Why?
Because I didn't like it. Every time I looked at the video, I was like, no, I hate it. I can't post that anymore.
Oh, bro, I don't do mine.
No, but when I've only got 2 comments, it's very much like one nice comment and then 2 that are like, what the fuck is wrong with you? It's a bit like more hate comments than actual nice comments. I'm like, yeah.
Just don't let it get to you, mate. Or do and cry about it like I do.
Maybe I should like post a video and be like, can you stop commenting this stuff?
Yeah. But you'll get more, you know, if you do that. People.
I just can't be rage baited. I hate it. I'm nice. I don't get that.
Truth hurts, bro. Yeah, I'm joking.
What the fuck are you doing?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm not.
Just reboating that one.
Oh, I'm fucking tired. We need a coffee.
How are these coming on?
It's alright. It's not bad. It's not what I asked for though.
I don't know why you
Didn't even want to.
yeah, go back crack and sack.
Yeah. Going alright, isn't it?
Oh, very nice. Looks like the snake's on fire. It's pretty cool.
Oh shit, yeah.
Well, Sorry, hates that idea.
I don't even like snakes.
Who stippled it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's not like you.
Why, you want siblings? Only once.
It's absolutely fuming.
Yeah. I'm saying how much I hate doing siblings. No, I didn't like it first.
It's got a pillow. Oh, back.
I've blown out every single dart as well.
Oh, that looks sick.
Getting there, getting there.
Makes me really uncomfortable.
So, it's even worse.
Like,
than
yeah,
fucking
you've got
boxes
like a
out.
fucking panty one coming out.
I use shades like that. Shit as well. I shaved it out.
He's put a juicy tracksuit on.
Do you know what I bought? Actually, I won't say.
What?
No, I can't say it on Ziggy Vlog.
He's not listening.
No, I can't. He'll put it in because I made a joke on the fucking video. I said to Zig like, well, I was assuming you'll cut it out, and she pulled out a question. She was like, okay, what historical event would you go back to? I was like, the Holocaust. Yeah, I'm on YouTube, bro.
Is that what you picked?
You are?
Is that which one you picked?
Yeah. A Diddy party.
Oh, slit.
He left both of them in the video as well.
Yeah.
He didn't even get a proper answer, so that just sounds like his answer.
No, I don't know what I'd do.
I feel like you picked the best ones. Really.
Yeah, I don't think there's any others. Don't want to go back to no pyramid buildings or fucking.
No, that shit. When Jesus came back.
Yeah, yes. I was gonna say.
It's fine. And then you're like, oh shit, alright. But then to get out of it, for it to not to happen, you got to pay like a tip for it not to happen. So it's a load of bollocks.
Did you pay a tip?
No, I didn't even do it. I was like, I didn't do that. I didn't waste my money. Just say that I've got bad things happening to
Do you
me.
have to pay to get the like stick taken out?
No,
That's
that's
it.
where they get you. So once you've done it and you've already got the paper, you're like, oh, you got to put the money in the pot, otherwise all this bad stuff's going to happen to you.
What was yours?
Oh, I didn't do it.
Oh no.
My missus did it, and it said something like, oh, something like really bad is going to happen on a flight, and I will fly back like a few days later.
Was she panicking?
Yeah. To be fair, she started throwing up on the flight, so that was probably it.
Yeah.
She didn't put money in. So I said to her, like, don't waste your money, like, even though it's like 20 baht, which is like 30p. So you don't want to waste that.
Anyway, you need a pot for that, innit?
And I've got another thing as well. So you give a man 50 baht, and then he gives you 20 baht back, but in like one piece. So it's like 20 of them, and you have to put each one in like. So they've got like 20 bowls, and you've got to put one in each bowl as you're going along. It's like a symbol of like good luck. So not only like you've given them 30 baht, but you've also got to put that 20 baht. It's a waste.
Nice way to make money though, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Might do like a.
I feel like most people will just do it because it's like, oh,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
like part of the culture, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a load of bollocks though. Save your money.
I might do it right here for crackheads with that. Okay, a chance of winning some heroin or something.
Sick.
Moved on to the next two. Just thought.
Got some
What's
questions
it?
or?
I was literally just about to open up and ask one. Go on.
Go on.
What's it like tattooing a neck? Does it get like in that placement?
It's a little tricky compared to some other areas, but it's just all about stretching the skin properly.
Yeah.
I think when I didn't know how to stretch the skin properly, neck was like a very scary area. But now it's pretty good. Kind of depends on the person. You have a nice neck, so congratulations. Some necks are trickier than others, you know, and you're sitting very well. Some people are dying.
I can
on the
imagine
neck.
like, you know, men's necks that have like Adam's apples. Are they worse? Because obviously it's just a massive fucking bump in the
Well, you
middle.
kind of like pull it over to the side, right?
Oh yeah, sort of like, you know, when you're with the knee and you're like...
Yeah, exactly. So, yeah, not so much a problem. Actually, something that you wouldn't expect that's a problem with men is when they have really broad shoulders.
Oh.
So when you're trying to do this area, their fucking shoulder is like
Oh,
up here.
yeah, it's
You
like
can't
up
get
there.
in. It's fucking pain in the ass. So yeah. But no, necks are a tricky one. I think every tattoo artist.
I feel like it's
says
one of
necks
them
is
that just
better.
seems more daunting than it actually would be. You know, just because it's like, for someone's neck right now.
There's
But,
definitely like an added pressure where you
That's
can
my, like,
kind of get in your head about it. I think I thought that about face tattoos early
Yeah.
on, and then I was like, actually, face is like pretty friggin' easy to tattoo.
I feel like one of mine was actually like hands. I feel like a lot of that I was like, no, that's gotta be so scary.
Yeah, you get in your head about it,
But
don't you?
yeah, it's once you've done it, it's like, oh,
I really like tattooing hands. They're pretty sound.
that's all my questions.
Just
now.
got to concentrate, really. Just take time with it, you know.
Yeah.
Tranquilo. Sorry, I knew that would make you laugh a little bit.
I get no more laughing because for me I don't feel nothing to pain.
No?
Nothing.
Oh,
no,
beautiful.
no.
That's insane. Crazy.
These Spaniards, eh? Built differently.
What are you up to?
Finished food now. Now we try and sing studio notes. We try to sing notes with a lady who orders our stuff. So in our studio we can write stuff what we need to order, and then she at home she knows what to order, and she can basically, we used to do that on a board in the kitchen, but now she could have basically the board in the pocket, and then she could pull out, oh, this needs to be ordered, and then
Tagad arī audio var ēdīties. Jā. Tikai interesanti, kā tie zirgais zināšu turksti, kad ir akti, viņi parādās un tā kā parādījās.
Can she see?
yeah, she can see, but we can't make it sing properly. Small technical issues, 21st century problems.
That's good, yeah.
Yeah, don't know.
Well, we don't know much about the notes app, so it's a bit of a... Like, seems like such an insane area. I can get the camera on you. Oh, that looks wicked. That's so cool. You're doing like a little bit of shade and then black on the wing. Yeah.
Yeah.
That looks it. How is it? Scale of 1 to 10.
Sky. Yeah. I same when I do it my hands tattoo, you know, when the lady do it, I like that, and she's
Yeah.
like, really, do you not feeling nothing? And I know. She say usually the people are shouting, please
Yeah.
stop it.
No, I feel like normally next, like people tap out. They're like, no, can't do it.
For me,
Mental.
nothing really. I'm too chilly. I say to him, I'm close to sleep because
Surprised
his
you're not
breath-
getting dizzy. You know, with your head hanging.
Yeah, but no, nothing,
Oh,
really.
it looks
I
so
want
pretty.
only to sleep.
It's so pretty.
Yeah.
Well, good luck.
Stronger.